be the shape of the hatch. Not unlike AutoCAD, we need the closed area like a circle before you can add the hatch, correct? So it's like in Revit is different. No? You have to edit the sketch. Okay, so this one, okay. So this one is like, it's also a trim. It's also a trim extend single element. Okay, but there is no shortcut. Okay, so let's select this wall. So for this tool to come, yeah, this is the trim extend single element. Okay, first is that let's remove this portion. Okay, so let me just draw an X. No? Let's delete this one. Okay, so let me select this line and use the trim extend single element. So the first click will be this one. Okay, this is the first click, and this is the second click for you to delete that. Again, okay. Trim, extend, single element. This is the tool, okay. So we need this one, and you need to remain this portion. That's how it works, actually. Okay, so let's remove this one as well. Okay, so trim, extend, single element. You need this portion, and you need to retain this one. Okay, so this is just for the sake of the exercise. What do I mean by that? Since you already know, okay, what you need from here is to delete this portion, you can also use the TR, no? Job's done. Okay, if you're going to undo, press TR, this one, job is done. So this, I'm just explaining you for this one for the sake of exercise, no? But since you already know used to TR, okay? Okay. So this one is actually, okay, let's just forget about exercise number 2. Let's move on to trim or extend multiple. So this is the tool here. There is no shortcut as well. So trim or extend, just keep in mind this tool. It can be a trim or it can be an extend. In this way, it will be extend. No? So for this one, click this one and select this wall. Okay, I'll tell you something more here. Okay, after clicking this one, you can even use crossing selection. You did it? No. For exercise number 2, you cannot use crossing, no, because you cannot make a crossing like that. So trim, extend, select this one by one. Okay. Linear. Okay, so array, no? What is the description of an array? Use the array tool to create several instances of one or more elements and manipulate them simultaneously. You can specify the distance between the elements. Okay. So let's do this one, no? We're just going to make, yes, you know, if you're going to, why not just make copy? Yes, you can, no? But actually, array is better because you can actually specify how many numbers, okay? So it's better. It's better if you are, you know, if you are doing multiple elements like this. So how to perform an array, no? Let's select this tool, let's select this element. Okay, so the shortcut for array is AR. There are two types of an array here. So this is actually the linear here. Look here. So this is the linear and this is the radial. For now, we are discussing the linear. So keep that. Now, we're going to specify the distance between the object first. Okay, so you click from here, from this point, the distance of the second object is 3,500. And the last option that you're going to place is how many elements including the original one. So it will be 3. Got it? Again, so select the object and press AR. So from the center of the table, click. What is the distance of the second object from the first object? It's 3,500. How many elements, including the original? 3. Exercise 2 and 3, please. Two and three, please. Okay. The other type of an array. Let's go here. Okay. This time it's radial array. Huh? Okay, listen here. So let's select this chair. Let's select this chair. And let's press AR, array. This time, we're not going to use linear. Change the tool to radial. Okay. Are you familiar with this? You remember this one? Okay. So we use this one in rotate, no? So for this one, it's a must that you're going to relocate the center of rotation, because if not, this is what will happen. So the center of rotation will be there. Now, so when you make an array, the center of rotation must be placed in the middle of this one. No? Click and drag. Okay. Now, when the center of rotation is in the center of the table, make this one as your origin. So click this one as your origin first. Click. Okay. I provided here some instruction. No? So from that origin, type in 45. How many numbers? 8. No. 8. Here. 45, 8 numbers. So can you do that for exercise 2 and 3 as well? 2 and 3. Yeah. Okay, so that's how to perform area scale. So that's the shortcut for scale is weird here, no? RE, no? So in this one, in AutoCAD, no? When we, for example, we need to scale an object and we need to make it twice bigger. So what will be the scale factor? 2. No? And what if we need to make an object half smaller? We make the scale factor 0.5, like that. Huh? So for the first scale, we don't have any size for the object. Okay, so we're going to scale it manually, no, or graphically, by the way, no. So let's select this one and press RE. Okay, so make sure that you're selecting graphical from here. Graphical. So you're going to say that from this point, click up to this point, click. You want to scale it manually or graphically. That's it. Okay, for exercise number 2 this time, we're going to use a scale factor of 2. We want this set of walls to become twice bigger. So how do we do that? First thing is that, okay, let's press escape. I want you to select this one, no, all of them. So place your cursor here and tab. You still remember that? Left click. RE for scale. We're now studying scale, no? RE. This time we're not going to scale it graphical. We have to enter a numerical value. Okay, and we want to scale it 2 times bigger, no? So the scale factor will be 2. Now, from where the scale factor will start? From the middle. Got it? Okay. So, can you scale this one? I want you to make this smaller. And that is the base point. Can you do that? Using the hatch. Yeah. But what's the scale factor? I specify a scale factor. What I used to do is look at image and in the sketch. Okay, so what you did is correct, by the way, no? But should be here, huh? But it's okay, it's okay, it's okay if you wanted that. Huh? But at least you know the concept on how to scale an object. Huh? That's it. Pin and unpin. No? So pin and unpin is like can you click and drag to this one? Let's put it in the center. You cannot, huh? Because this object is currently pinned. Huh? So to unpin it, okay, select the object, okay, and press UP for unpin. So you are now free to move the object. Okay, just try to make it on the center. Okay, so this object can still move, no? When you place it there. So when you place it already on the center, type or press PN for pen. So UP for unpin, pin is for, or PN is for pin. So now you cannot move it again. That's it. Okay, let's now go to the dimension types. Dimension types, lesson number 3. We've been doing this, no? So if you didn't see any